This is a quick release for the calf muscles. So we're going to palpate her calf muscles, check for tension. You see how when I pull medial or toward the midline, we don't have a lot of movement. When I push lateral or toward the outside, we have quite a bit more movement. I'm just going to take my thumb or my knuckle or my finger, and I'm going to put it in the middle of the heel and push straight up. And we're going to hold this for about 30 seconds. So you can use a thumb, a finger, a knuckle, and you're just pushing straight up. Don't let the ankle give. We don't want this. We don't want this. Just straight up the back of the leg. Okay, that feels like about 30 seconds. Let's come back in and feel it again. I can pull it up higher. We have more movement in the tissue going to the inside. That took 30 seconds. Let's try it one more time. Thumb, finger, push straight up. Five more seconds. We're going to release that. Come back in. And look at that. Those muscles are much more pliable.